How to fix blue screen error on Windows 11. Firstly, restart your PC. Sometimes these kind of minor issues can get fixed with a simple restart. If you are using any kind of external devices such as printers or other peripheral devices, then remove those. Note the stop code, for example, memory management or IRQL not less or equal, something like this shown on the blue screen. It helps identify the cause. To boot in safe mode, firstly hold Shift and click Restart from the login screen or Start menu. Now go to Troubleshoot. You can directly do this by going to Settings and to Systems. Scroll down and select the option Troubleshoot. Inside, click on the option Other Troubleshooters. Here focus on two options, Network and Internet and Windows Update. On the right section, click on the Run option to run Troubleshoot for these two. Go to Device Manager. To do that, press Window key plus X key on your keyboard, then select Device Manager. And now a menu like this will open. Expand the option Display Adapters. Now select the device driver and right click on it. When you do that, then you will see a menu like this. Select the first option Update Driver to search for updates. That's all for today. Thank you.